Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Center. We are going to see this stormy weather gripping eastern South Africa, spreading further west this Tuesday, and it could become very wet around Mahikeng. At the same time, we have a cold front which is set to hit the south coast this afternoon, but it's going to stay dry across western South Africa. Now, you still need to watch out for severe thunderstorms this afternoon, but this Tuesday, the storms could stay confined to the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, the western areas of the northwest, and the northern parts of the Free State. Now, here's a look at the most recent satellite picture taken across southern Africa over the past 24 hours, and here you can clearly see a lot of storm-bearing clouds popping up across eastern Botswana and western Zimbabwe, moving down into the northeastern parts of South Africa. We still have clear skies dominating the weather across the central and western parts of the country, but further west we are looking at this cold front which is just about to hit the southwest coastline, where we already have rain-bearing clouds moving in. So for the rest of your Tuesday, it's going to be partly cloudy to cloud across eastern South Africa with isolated to scattered rain and thunderstorms. The storms could also spill into the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. The cold front here is set to introduce rainy weather along the southwest coastline, spreading into the south coast in the evening. It's going to stay mostly fine across the western interior. Up to an 80% chance of thunderstorms is forecast this afternoon for the northernmost areas of the northwest. The dark shade of blue represents up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms. Where you see the lighter shades of blue, we are expecting up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers, and that includes parts of the south coast. Johannesburg is going to become mostly cloudy this afternoon with a good chance of late afternoon and evening thunderstorms, and afternoon temperatures will just reach around 24 degrees. Fresh to strong northeasterlies are forecast this afternoon along much of the east coast. It's going to be breezy as well around Port Elizabeth. Fresh winds for the interior of the Northern Cape. We are also expecting a fresh southerly airflow for the Cape Peninsula. Afternoon temperatures are going to be on the hot side across much of KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg, shooting to around 34. It's going to be fairly comfortable around Gauteng, Johannesburg 24, 27 in Pretoria, the same for Polokwane. A sizzling 37 is forecast for Appington. It's going to be cooler over the southwestern parts of the country. Cape Town managing a high of around 23, 24 for the highs in George and Port Elizabeth, and a warm 26 is forecast for East London. Looking ahead to your Wednesday, it's going to become mostly sunny and warmer for Cape Town, but thunderstorms persist for central and eastern South Africa. Then on Thursday, we are going to stay with clear skies over the western parts of the country, and unsettled weather continues over the eastern areas. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.